Protect your home, your health, and your energy costs with premium window films that's trusted worldwide. SFF Premium Window Films block harmful UV rays and meet strict chemical safety standards, protecting your loved ones. Certified by ASHRAE and NFRC, SFF Premium Window Films improves energy efficiency, keeps interiors cooler, and saves on electricity bills. Backed by global quality certifications, SFF Premium Window Films are built to last, delivering reliable performance day after day. Quality matters in everything you invest in. When you choose SFF Premium Window Films, you're choosing certified quality, safety, and trusted performance in every space.